Oh, hey there.
Welcome to flight school.
What's up, Skydians? Anna and Andrew here. Since it's snowing, we're going to show you how to film snow sports with your Skydio drone. Ooh, see you!
The beacon is a must-have accessory when autonomously filming out in the backcountry. The GPS tracking capabilities of the beacon help make sure that Skydio doesn't lose me, even at high speeds or long distances. Another benefit of using the beacon is that you can easily change the skills and position of your drone without needing to take off your glove or pull out your phone. Remember to keep the beacon away from your body for the best signal. I like to stash mine in the wrist pocket of my jacket.
There are lots of options for getting amazing shots in the snow with your Skydio. I like to use the keyframe skill to autonomously capture these vistas with ease. Or to film pre-planned cinematic establishing shots.
If you're doing an activity with sudden changes in direction, use fixed track to keep the camera orientation looking in a specific direction.
I also like using fixed track to keep the drone position away from obstacles, like my kite lines. For moderate speed activities, front and orbit are my favorite tracking modes for dynamic shots of my ride. Extending the tracking distance will help keep you in frame, even if you're riding aggressively.
It's definitely worth using an ND filter on bright days to make sure the snow doesn't get blown out and to introduce cinematic motion blur to your footage. Also, placing Skydio low to the ground so it can see the landscape will give you better shot composition. Riding at a slow and steady speed will keep Skydio low to the ground. The faster you ride, the higher Skydio will need to fly in order to safely avoid obstacles. If you're flying in textureless environments, Skydio might have a hard time differentiating between the clouds and the ground. Flying closer to high contrast areas, like dark trees, will help Skydio's visual navigation system perform even better.
No matter what skill you are in, if you are riding too fast or in too dense of obstacles, Skydio will reposition to follow until it is able to resume the selected skill.
If the beacon is taking too long to acquire sufficient GPS signal, but your phone has LTE coverage, pair your phone with the beacon to expedite the connection process.
At the end of your ride, use beacon steering or the return to home function found in the cinematic mode selector to bring Skydio back to you.
When landing in the snow, we recommend hand catching or case landing for the best experience.
Well, that's it for now. We are super stoked to get out there. We hope you are too. Let's go.
We're going to show you how to fly with your Skydio drone with snow sports. I can't. How do you fit that snow sports in there? Snow sports. Yeah. Snow sports. Snow sports is a snowmobile Skydio. Since it's snowing, we're going to show you how to film snow sports with your Skydio drone on a snowmobile.
Seriously.
Seriously. It's going to be sick.